Tom Holland just shared an adorable message for his girlfriend, Zendaya, after she stunned on the Dune red carpet. See what he had to say about his sweetheart. Following the Dune movie premiere in London, Tom Holland, 25, shared a sweet and simple tribute to his love, Zendaya, 25, on Instagram. Dune, romantic face, the actor captioned his post, which showed Zendaya looking sultry and stylish in a black and white shot from the movie's UK debut, which took place on Monday, October 18. Although Tom's post didn't share any details about the forthcoming sci-fi flick, it did get attention. Special fan, his girlfriend Zendaya, who simply commented on the post with an emotional, watery-eyed emoji showing her appreciation. For the premiere, Zendaya stunned in a white, structured gown from designer Rick Owens. Ever the style maven, she completed the look with a slicked back, also structured hairstyle, wearing minimal jewelry and sporting a bold smoky eye. Zendaya was accompanied by her co-stars, Timothé Chalamet, 25, Rebecca Ferguson, 38, and Jason Momoa, 42. Related gallery. Zendaya's sexiest looks, photos. Although Tom and Zendaya have kept their relationship pretty low-key, they've come a little more out of the woodwork lately to share their love with the world. Last month, Tom posted another Instagram shot of Zendaya for her birthday with a behind-the-scenes take of the couple on the set of the upcoming Spider-Man, No Way Home set. "My MJ, have the happiest of birthdays," he wrote. The pair originally met while shooting Spider-Man, Homecoming, where he played the title character and she played Mary Jane or MJ. "Give me a call when you're sick, up 30. Although Zendaya and Tom were thought to be a couple a few years back, they laughed off the rumors on Twitter and said that they didn't take vacations, as reported. Amidst the years of romance rumors, Tom was linked to Olivia Bolton from 2019 to 2020, while Zendaya was romantically linked to her Euphoria co-star Jacob Elordi. Everything changed on June 1st, however, when Zendaya fueled dating rumors between the pair with a post on her Instagram stories, wishing Tom a happy birthday. "Pretty glad you were born," she wrote in the post. A month later, the two were photographed engaging in some serious PDA in Tom's car in Los Angeles, and so it was official.